Hello to everyone that's out there. Amanda Wray coming to you with another live video. Happy Monday. It is the beginning of a new week. We are in the first month of a new year. And I want to discuss some things about direct mail. Well, I opened up some packages that came in today, went to the mailbox and had a total of 9 packages. So I'm going to open up some of those with you guys. And we're going to talk about why many people are going to actually win with direct mail marketing this year. And what's so much more different than last year and this year, things to come. So that's going to be the discussion today. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. If you can let me know where you're tuning in from. If you're watching this later on, hashtag replay in the comment section so I can know where you're tuning in from. And hey Ken, hey Jade, hey Hillary, thanks for tuning in. Hey Mary. So here we have our first envelope that came in from John from Texas. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, and then we're going to have a discussion once I open up a few of these envelopes. And guys, there's some things that I know now that I wish I would have known back in 2016 that would actually speed up the process of the results that you receive within your direct mail program. And that's what we want to do. Okay, so this is actually someone's information for another program. So we're going to skip that one. Okay. I get a lot of those now. People are promoting so many different opportunities, and sometimes they do come in the mail. So we have here a payment from Richard from New York, and he paid me online, and here's his 1 book of stamps that he sent. So let's see what he wrote here. Okay, so he's just letting me know that's his stamps. And let's see what we have here. This is from someone from South Carolina. Aloha, Brenda. Okay. This came in from Geneva, from South Carolina. Geneva. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. Hey, Victoria from Detroit. How you doing? Hey, Patrick from Utah. Hey, Patrick. Hey, Jacqueline. Okay, so Geneva came in at the Emerald level. She signed up with me directly. And here we have a $65 payment and 1 book of stamps. And I want to tell you guys something that happened today. I had 2 people come in at the double diamond level, and I received a $1,500 electronic payment. How exciting is that? $1,500 in one day, guys, because someone decided to come in and take advantage of the double diamond, which also comes with the free training from my membership site when you become a double diamond member. So you won't even have to pay for that. You get all of the training, all of the materials, no extra cost. So Stephen from Mississippi, I received your payment. Let's see what we have here. Stephen came in at the Sapphire level, and he signed up with someone else on my team. And I received a $100 payment and 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, Stephen. Glad to have you a part of the team. Okay, and this one came in from Morocco and from Rhode Island. Open this up. Okay, I have it in an envelope here. Okay, and this person, Maria from Rhode Island, came in at the Ruby level, and I received $150 and 2 books of stamps. Okay, so what we're going to discuss really quick is what's happening this year that has not happened that I know of in 2016, 2017, 2018, and it definitely didn't happen in 2019. So what's different this year is now there's training that is available specifically for direct mail and postcard programs. That's nothing that I have seen before. That is strictly for those who are trying to leverage the direct mail space. So now that I have put together that training, people are now going to learn how to utilize offline and online marketing materials to help them to speed up their results. And when followed step by step, you should see major success within your business within the first 3 to 6 months, because that's how long it took for me, following some real consistent steps. Now we're going to put that together and also give people customized packages that they can use for any postcard or direct mail opportunity. So everything that you receive in the mail will be customized to you. All you have to do is pay the shipping, which is $7.50. Okay, that's the second thing. The third thing that we have coming is postcards. Now, with the postcards, you're going to also be able to utilize closing coaches that will close the sales for you. So you don't have to do any selling or telling. All you have to do is put these postcards in the mail, and now you're going to have people answering the phones for you that knows about the business, that's going to get people to buy, because this is what they actually do for a living. So we have a lot of things that's coming up, a lot of things that I have never seen before. I never had a postcard program that had closers for you. Okay, I've seen flyer programs, but not postcard programs. These are also going to have a lot of different perks that we're not going to discuss right now, but I will get to it in another video. I never had a training site, membership site that had ongoing webinars for prospects and ongoing live over the shoulder training. I didn't get that. Okay. So this is something that's really a game changer, because when I had a mentor back in 2016, these are the things that I was able to get one-on-one. But now people are going to be able to plug right into a membership site, get everything step by step, get their customized packages, and be able to get over the shoulder training. So what that does is it really eliminates the time that it takes to start earning consistently, and it's going to speed up the results. And the last thing that it's going to do is going to allow people to feel confident about what they're promoting, because now they have someone to show them step by step. And that's what it all boils down to. I say this all the time: your first, second, and third sale within your direct mail or postcard business is going to change the game. It's going to really boost your confidence. You're going to feel like you know what you're doing. And then when you have 6-figure earners that are teaching you exactly what to do, that just makes it even better. And on top of that, all of this is going to be for a very low price that's affordable for anyone out there that's trying to get customized materials, that's trying to get really good training for their direct mail or postcard program. So what we're going to do is this thing has been thought out. This is 3 months in the works, over $5,000 to $6,000 just to actually put everything together. And that's not cheap. That's not a drop in the bucket for a lot of people, but it was necessary because there's so many little intricate pieces to actually make things work. And there could be just one thing that you're missing that allow you to take your business from 0 to 100. And you're going to be able to figure that out by being a part of this membership site. It's called My Direct Mail Solution, and it's going to be absolutely phenomenal. And then what we're going to do is partner up with a brand new postcard program where you're going to have closers that's going to do all the work for your business. So that's a 2-for-1, a win-win deal, and again, affordable for everyone. And I'm just extremely excited about what's to come. So for today, what we have here is 5 books of stamps, and I have a total of 315. So $315 for today, what I've opened up so far. And we have a total of, 6 books of stamps. So 3, 4, 5, 6 books of stamps. So I want to thank everyone for tuning in. And I'm just really excited about this. I'm so excited about this year. What I just want to do is every year get better, but also be able to supply people with value and really help people change their lives. It's like someone did for me, because if it wasn't for one mentor, I mean, I don't know where I would be, but I've learned so much along the way, and I'm willing to share my experience and also the knowledge that I have with other people so that people can see how to do this the right way and be successful within their business. So thanks again, guys, for tuning in, and have a great night.